The close handling unit transaction allows the user to remove all the contents from a handling unit. The handling unit can then be deleted or left in a closed status. The operator scans in the handling unit to be closed and then can either select to delete the handling unit or to leave it as a closed one. In both cases, the contents of the handling unit are removed and are left as anonymous stock. If a parent handling unit is scanned in, the logic is slightly different. So in this case, I'm scanning in a parent and I click on the Close Handling Unit button. It then tells me that the handling unit has some internal handling units present. Do I want to close them all? If I say yes to this, it will remove the contents from the individual children handling units as well. Otherwise, it will leave the children handling units intact and just remove them from the parent. So if I say OK, it will remove the contents from all of the handling units in that structure.